Introducing Observance, a design solution powered by AI. In the world of interior design, precision is often elusive. Manual measurements lead to errors, inefficiencies, and design flaws that can leave both designers and clients frustrated. Navigating through the complexities of interior design shouldn't be hindered by outdated methods. The industry is in need of a solution that addresses these challenges head-on. With Observance, you are equipped with an array of powerful tools that will revolutionize the way you manage your interior design projects. We start the process with our state-of-the-art LiDAR scanners, capturing every detail of your interior space with unparalleled precision. From there, we seamlessly transition into building the model through cloud-based processing. Captured data consists of raw point cloud, RGB, and thermal camera frames. Within hours, Observance transforms raw data into detailed floor plans, reflected ceiling plans, elevation drawings, and 3D models. The 3D model outputs are available in versatile formats, allowing you to choose between the widely used SKP or DWG file formats. Navigating through our user-friendly platform, you can explore the intricacies of your design with an interactive viewer and advanced measurement tools, ensuring every aspect is meticulously crafted. The 3D model is freely navigable, downloadable, and viewable on the Observance web-based open-source viewer. Compare 3D model, RGB, and thermal videos with side-by-side views. Re-upload the BIM model to Observance platform after adding interior elements to the model. Slider view enables comparison of 3D model with and without interior elements. Unlock additional benefits with Observance such as thermal analytics to unveil unseen patterns and deviation analytics to enhance space utilization, making design and layout optimization more efficient than ever before. With Observance, achieve perfection in design, reduce rework costs, and streamline your projects. Enjoy the added bonus of fewer site visits, saving you time and resources. Experience the real impact of Observance in your interior design projects. Explore more about Observance by visiting our website at Inkers.ai. For a more in-depth understanding and to experience our platform firsthand, request a demo today.